You need to open our website, then on the top right of the page, you need to click on Sign in, Register. Now you have to add your email and password. Click on Reseller Account option, the Continue. Now fill the information: first name, last name, your company name. CC email to be a second email to receive requests, in addition to the registered email. Add your company registration number. This field is optional. Add your company director's name. Then continue adding your contact details and billing info. You can also attach your logo and company documents. And finally click Submit. Our team will contact you for further assistance. Thank you.